Hello guys, review smartphone Asus Zenfone Max Pro M2. Start unpacking. Open box, look complementation. In complementation we have key for SIM slot, protected back cover and papers instructions. Okay. Device in the silver color. In complementation we have headphones, micro USB cable and adapter for charging. And now talk about the phone. Phone made of glass and metal. On the back side glass and the front side, and this metal. On the front side we have 6.3-inch display, front camera, talk speaker, LED and sensors. Android version 8.1.0, CPU Qualcomm Snapdragon 660, this is octa-core processor 4+4 cores, first 4 cores work to 1.8 GHz and second 4 cores 2 GHz. GPU Adreno 512, resolution and display PPA. RAM memory 6 GB, internal memory 64 GB, and we have slot for micro SD card for memory and 2 nano SIM cards. Look results, single core score and multi-core score. And GPU test score. Okay, close this. And now open demand game, PUBG Mobile, and look how game works on the device. Game load. Works on max graphic level. And works good. We can play this game without lags and glitches. Okay, close this. And now talk about camera. Front camera 15 megapixels, main camera 12 plus 5 megapixels. And now I'll show you photos on the main camera. That's all. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.